For today, I want to present you how to bypass a ChatGPT issue. Basically, in my real life, not for this very video, I have to do a paper and I have to research existing papers, quite a lot of them, and no one has time to read everything for just a homework, to call it like that. So I try to do something like this. Given this article, right? You see it? It doesn't matter. I saw the issue happening on tens of websites, domains, basically, not websites. Okay, so do a two-page resume of URL, and I'm just passing the URL, right? You see? Unable to directly access the content of the page because blah 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 restrictions. So we clearly have an issue because some domains just block them. The ChatGPT OpenAI bot. Okay, so how can we bypass this? Basically, the easiest solution is just to use ChatGPT to create a kind of proxy that we just give an URL. It's a kind of open redirect, but not really like that. Let's see how it goes. So let's open another one, okay? And basically the plan is to make a script, right? We send it the URL and it just retrieves the HTML content of that very page, so ChatGPT can parse it. I'll use PHP because it's my language of choice for too many years. Okay, so I already have tens of lines of code for it, but let's use it using ChatGPT so anyone can replicate it in any language they want. Let's call it proxy.php. And okay, let's describe now what we want. Write PHP code that receives a get parameter called URL and outputs via curl the HTML of that URL. Hopefully it will understand. If not, we will just tweak it. Okay. But let's see the code. If it's set, right? Okay, curly init. Return transfer, okay. Follow location, yeah, it's a good one. PHP scripts. Well, yeah, that's why we are using. Okay. Can you write a PHP function? It happened if I just continued to write it in Python by default, even if the above code was in PHP, so it's messy sometimes. Can you write a PHP code to validate an URL? Filter, yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, my bad, but we will use it somehow. Okay, so this is the code, right? And just write a function. Well, we don't even need it if we think it this way. It's a messy code, so okay, is right, but not use an acceptable scheme. Yeah, this one can probably still be bypassed if you own another URL, another server script that does a redirect. This is, I'm talking from the security perspective, that does a redirect to a local or other protocol, but for this is more than secure enough. Yeah, let's copy this. Okay, function, let's write it validate URL, or URL because those are acronyms. Okay, And now we are using filter var. Let's do it full screen. Filter var, right, to validate it, to parse it. If in array, okay, we return true. Otherwise, then it's not okay. So just don't care. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Return false. Perfect. And now we just take it. If it's set and validate URL, the get URL, then we take it, we three random user agents. I just don't like the script. Yeah, let's use it like Firefox, Safari. I really don't like to have the user agent just like this PHP script. Let's pretend we are a browser, through browser. Okay, good. And check for errors. Okay. 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 So let's try to see if it works. Proxy. Good. URL equal, let's take this one. Perfect. It doesn't load some stuff like that have relative paths like these ones, but we really don't care because they are not needed for this type of job. We don't care about the design, and the ChatGPT bot doesn't either. So let's put some of it online. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so nano proxy.php. We just copy paste it. Okay. This is a test server I'm using for my final degree. Okay, and basically this is everything that we needed. And let's give it a try on the server itself. Don't worry, I'll remove it after this is over. Okay, perfect. So let's try now. Make a 2-page resume for URL. Yeah, so it worked. You see, the context is evaluation of natural and botanical medicines for activity against growing and non-growing forms of Borrelia burgdorferi. Perfect. Job done. I can continue now, of course, with doing a better prompt and stuff like that. So enjoy the new trick and see you next time.